Hello friends, so this is a new video on why budgeting is crucial for your financial success. So today we will be discussing this budgeting is why it is important and what is the usefulness of this. So when we talk about budgeting, it is basically understanding your what is your current state, because without knowing your current state you cannot understand whether you are growing or you are going down. So first you should know what is your current state, and then every day you keep on checking whether you are going on upside or whether you are going on downside. That is the first understanding in your financial journey. Okay. So now what is the meaning of the budgeting? It is basically understanding the two statement. The first one we call is the income statement, and the second one we call is the second one we call is the balance sheet. Balance sheet. Now you will be wondering, oh my god, these are the very hi-fi statements. What is the meaning of this? Okay, so let's understand what is the meaning of income statement. Income statement is nothing but is basically telling you how much is your income and what are the expenses. Okay, so income and expenses, these are your two statements. When we talk about the balance sheet is nothing but it is telling you two items, how much asset you have and how much are the liabilities you have. Right? So these are the four items that you should understand in order to know your what is the financial status. Now the first thing is, when we talk about the income can be of basically three types. When we talk about, it can be your hard earned income, correct? Hard earned income. It can be basically from your job or whatever the earning or any small business, whatever the revenue that you are generating, that is the first kind of income we call hard earned income. The second kind of income we call the portfolio income. Okay, so the portfolio income. What is the portfolio income is? Let's say you have the stocks and you sold it on a higher price. So that means you have earned some money, and that comes under the portfolio because you were having some portfolio, you sold some real estate, okay, building, some apartment, that is called the portfolios. Another thing is called a passive income. The passive income is basically like which is generating the money for you even when you are not working, correct? So these are the three kind of income. Might be you might not be having these two, but at least you will be having this. Okay, so whatever the income that you have, just write it down. Okay, that what income that you have in this column. The second one are the expenses. So how much are your expenses? For an example, you can have insurance. Okay, you can have your child education. You can have your daily expenses, correct? Day-to-day expenses, or any other, your car loan, home loan, correct? Different kind of loans. All those expenses you just write it down here. So these are your expenses. Now once you have got this, income is basically which is putting money in your pocket. Expenses which is taking out from your pocket. That's how you should understand. So whether it is an income or not, you should think whether it is giving me the money or it is taking out the money from me. Okay, so that's how you should see this and fill this column. Now the second is to understand, because this is an incomplete. Sometimes we say, okay, if we are earning more and our expenses are less, we are becoming a wealthy. It is not so, okay, because this statement doesn't tell the complete picture. So it is the combination of these two. The next is, this is called a balance sheet. Now what the balance sheet tells you, it is basically how much asset that you have and what are the liabilities. So asset may be, for an example, you might be having the bank balance. Okay, you might be having the some sort of a stocks. You might be having the bonds. Okay, you might be having the gold. You might be having the, let's say, your apartment or your flat. Okay, so all these are your assets, for an example. Now the liabilities. Liabilities means you might be having the loan. Okay, different kind of loan, your credit card loan, your home loan, your student loan, your house loan, correct? All these kinds of loan that you have. Okay, so these are your liabilities. So list down all and find out what is the net. Okay, Now once you have this income statement, so you will get a net from here and then you get a net from here. Okay, and then you will get a clear idea that okay, whether what is the my current state of the budgeting is, because this is statement and you should keep on watching on a monthly basis. Sometimes few people watch on a daily basis to understand how this is growing over the period of time. Your most focus should be to creating this asset. So in our next video we will discuss that what is the difference between the rich people and the normal middle class and poor people, and why the rich becomes the richer. Okay, what is the difference they do in this kind of budgeting, what are the thought process they are having that make them rich. Okay, so hope you have liked the video, hope this would have given you some thought process that how you can analyze your current state of financial journey. Okay, and then you can basically keep improving upon that. Hope you would have liked the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel for such more videos. Thank you.